Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Thank you YouTube for sending this out. So this is the 20th anniversary. Is it 20th or 25th? Yeah, 20th anniversary top that they sent out to certain YouTubers. So yeah. So I got one in medium. I don't know if that is a medium. It looks quite big. I should have got small maybe, I don't know. But yeah, let's see what it says. Let's celebrate. Congratulations, you got a limited edition YouTube 20th birthday t-shirt. This is a special thank you for being part of our awesome journey. Blah blah blah. Alright. So let's look. It's good quality. I guess I bet you it's made in Bangladesh or something. Pakistan or Bangladesh. Let's see. Plaster 2.0 is called. Where was it made? Did not say. Come on. Says it's somewhere, but I don't know where. Oh, there. Made in Bangladesh. So yeah, probably made this for about £2, £1, 50p. Who knows? Not a lot. But yeah. So it's just a plain black t-shirt with a YouTube logo there. And then on the arm here, they have established in 2005. I think they should have done that on both arms though. So this arm is plain. But then on the back is where you have a lot of detail, I guess. You have the 20th logo sign, the balloon sign with the YouTube logo as well. So yeah, looks decent. Let me put it on and see what it looks like. Alright guys, I've got it on now. It's quite big, very big. Like I said, this was meant to be a medium. It's very, very big. So this side has your arms on. Can you see that? So yeah, very, very big. I swear I got a medium one. It's massive. Yeah, it's a medium. What the hell? How the hell is that medium? Fucking huge. And then the back. I'm gonna show you the back. I don't know. Alright guys. There you go. Hopefully you can see the back. Wait, let me zoom out. Yeah, it's too big, way too big. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you YouTube for sending this out. Appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. Good night.